Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here ultimate photography bundle. Here all action for Photoshop. Same thing here, and here frame in PSD file, and here Lightroom present, and here all marketing materials card templates, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime membership, and here 30 days membership plan, and here 90 days, that's mean 3 months, and here 1 month. When you purchase membership, then you have access to my all file. Here 47 file for Photoshop. Same thing here. I know you know how to use in Photoshop. Hand draw frame you can use in Photoshop. Light and dark. Here size. Okay, and next here Lightroom present. Next here marketing materials. Winter. You can import your photo here. Branding kit, logo, default, invoice, business card, documentation, CD cover, wedding business kit, order form for Microsoft Office, and here photographer logo templates for photographer business kit, and here card template. Thank you. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.